Forever they will be sought by us. With every breath, we shall hunt them down. Each day, we will spill their blood till it rains down from the skies.
Do not kill, do not rape, do not steal. These are principles which every man of every faith can embrace.
These are not polite suggestions. These are codes of behavior, and those of you that secure them will pay the dearest cost. One day you will look behind you and you will see we three. And on that day, you will reap it.
We will send you to whatever God.
And shepherds we shall be, for thee, my Lord, for thee. Power hath descended forth from thy hand. We swiftly carry out thy command. So we shall flow ever forth to thee, and teeming with souls shall it ever be.
Omni Patri,
Et Filii, Spiritus Sancti.
Out the front door. They had no idea what they were in for. Now they're staring at 6 men with guns drawn. It was a fucking ambush. For a few seconds, this place was Armageddon. There was a firefight!
I am heavy weapons guy, and this is my new weapon. Kaboom!